How's it going, everybody? It's another amazing day here in Japan. We are currently in Shibuya Square, the world's busiest intersection. And let's go around and explore this place and check it out. Right now we're in the middle, having a good time. I was just recently here with Brad 2 days ago, but he went home. I'm still here, so let's go check out what they got in the area. Of course, we have the famous crossing right here, and then that is a new building from the last time I was here. It's actually a shopping mall on the lower section there. That building just looks really cool. I don't even know how to explain that one. And then of course we got the famous Starbucks here where you can buy your coffee down here. You'll go up top and then you'll have the view of all this from above. There's more stores over there. There's a Lush for bath bombs and hand soaps and stuff like that. But we're gonna head down the alley. We just walked from over there and now we are about a block away. You got some pharmacy stuff like that over here, but I thought this was interesting. They have some jewelry here, as you would say. A bunch of rings, a lot of stainless steel stuff, and some silver. Now we're just walking down the street and the first thing you run into is an Ikea. Yes, it is. That is an Ikea. And I have been in there in my previous video where they have pretty much the same Ikea stuff we had back home. You got shoe stores, food, multiple layers of food. And then they have a lot of music coming from the building too. More food. There's a Wendy's First Kitchen. That sounds interesting. Let's go check that out. So here's the menu for the Wendy's. As you can see, they have their chicken nuggets and their fries and everything. The desserts here, that looks really good. And then that's different. I haven't had that at a Wendy's before. I've had those. All right, so that's Wendy's First Kitchen. From the Wendy's, we continue on. And we have more Japanese style food. See, that's basement, one floor. So you actually got to go downstairs. Just a little heads up there. Family Mart, good convenience store. I know this place we call this beef bowl. Super easy, quick, fast meals. Yes, there is Burger King in Japan. I have eaten at Burger King in Japan, and it's already better than the one back home. Standing sushi bar. Ooh, I am hungry. But we're just gonna keep going. We just keep going. We have the ABC Mart, Grand Stage Shibuya. Vans, Nike right off the back. Okay, we're gonna get some of those later, right? All right, we're just gonna keep moving on. There's a McDonald's, not a surprise. They are kind of all over Japan. Wow, I'm just saying, like, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel so we can do this live. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a Japanese Captain Jack Sparrow there. Yeah, that's so good. We got chicken time, soul food. It's another, oh, there's just so much food. There's soup with noodle. I did go to the Noodle Museum recently. That was a good time. Check out that video. I made my own cup of noodles, which is really cool. There's just so much food, and we're getting away from more of the shopping areas, more to the food restaurants. But you can see we got Thai Vietnamese cuisine there. We got multi-floor. Look at it, you can see the multi-floor dining. These round tables are cool. So your car's in there, and it comes out on here, and they'll rotate it and then pull it out. I think I figured out why I like this place so much. It kind of reminds me of Vegas, but like on a larger scale, but / smaller scale. So like Vegas, you know, big casinos, very large, but like everything's really spaced out. Here it's like store, big buildings, but like 50 stores like right in a row. And as far as busy it is, everybody's still so polite and nice. Nobody's yelling at anybody. If I bump into somebody, I feel bad. I say sorry. They say sorry to me. I think. I'm again not very good on the language translations here. I don't know. There's just so much to look at all the time, and then 2 blocks over is a Sky Park that has like a bunch of shopping there. There's a mall at the entry. There's just a lot in a very small area. And it's like that all across Japan. And we're back in the madness. I mean, this is really the highlight of the whole area right here. It's just, there you go. Saturday nights, what's up? Walking by the lush random alley, you know you gotta do it. That's one of my top tips about Japan. You gotta go down these random alleys. There's some cool stuff down most of them. Looks like they got a pachinko parlor here. Another pachinko parlor. Alright, pachinko parlor alley. Nothing too cool, except pachinko. And now we're gonna walk back out to the main road again. Check out that, that's cool too. More food. See, price and food. And then it's a busy place. But surprisingly, for how busy it is, there's always plenty of space for me to stretch my arm out and pull the camera out and say hi to everybody. Coming out to the main street now, and is that Ron on the go? What's up, dude? Some little self-excitement there. Just, oh, I'm having a good time. If you come to Japan, this is definitely a place you should visit, unless you have anxiety, because it is very busy sometimes, and if you have anxiety, this one might set you off. Okay, I've walked kind of like 2-3 blocks every direction from the square, and it dies off like that far out. So if you're generally situated right in the middle, that's pretty much where everything's at. Food and all that goes a little further out than that. Shopping, there's like malls that I didn't even notice. There's like, looks like a brick building where like some offices would be, and I went inside and there was like shops and stores and more food. Since we're here, let's do a couple more crossings. Woo! Definitely feels like it's getting a little lighter with people here. And then here we go. Woo! Alright, we'll make 2 more of these. Also, if we can get 1,000 subscribers, I'd hang out here for an hour and we would just go live all the time. Like, it's dangerous holding the camera like this. Like I said in previous videos, I don't know if I mentioned how nice the Japanese people are, but these 2 guys saw me recording everything. They waited, and then after I was done, they came over and asked to take a picture with me, so that was awesome. Like I said, Japan's a very interesting place. All right, last time through. Oh no, the light turned red. I'm running. Woo! Woo! Oh my God, took it out. You all right right there? Now we're at Miyashida Park. You can see here they got the garden up top with like multi-purpose running wall skate park. There's just a field to hang out in, and then there's shops, restaurants, all food and everything out here. And then if we walk over here, that's the best place to eat in town, I swear. I mean, that looks just amazing. That looks awesome, and there's so many different foods I don't think I could pick. I'm really bad at picking food. It's why not a lot of food reviews. I usually have other people do them. We're gonna head back out to the square and probably wrap up the night here. One last time through the square. Thanks everybody for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And I'm getting a red light. I gotta run. I'll see you next time.